What's good, crypto? I'm your host, Marvin, here bringing you a daily scoop on everything going on in crypto. Today, we have quite a good amount to cover. We're going to talk about the crypto fear and greed index, what's going on, the Bitcoin retracement, Ethereum hitting all-time highs, Solana being on fire, talking about why, top alts, top losers, things that I'm keeping my eye on for, and then things going on in the news, some Veve drops. If you guys know, I love Veve. And again, just a lot of good stuff to talk about. So make sure to tune in Monday through Friday here. We come here to educate ourselves when it comes to investing in crypto to make life-changing wealth. None of this financial advice, just pure entertainment speculation. My opinion, as I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure to do your own due diligence and research, and also make sure to sign up for Celsius to stake your crypto. Earn $50 in Bitcoin with a deposit of $400 or more in USDC. Use the link in my description, and if you want an extra $50, so $100 in Bitcoin, also add stable 50 into the promo section of your account. There you go. Follow me on crypto. Follow me on TikTok and Twitter at Crypto by Marvin, and my Instagram at Media by Marvin. Let's jump into the charts. Let's take a look at the crypto fear and greed index. Right now, we are sitting at 76, up from yesterday 73. We are sitting at extreme greed, a very subtle extreme greed, if you will. 73 yesterday, 73 last week, and 54 a month ago. People are starting to feel good. We're starting to see altcoins hit all-time highs. Yesterday, we had Bitcoin do a nice pump up to about 64,000, and we had a little bit of a retracement today. Nothing to be concerned about. But yeah, everything is looking good. People are getting really excited. The market cap continues to hit all-time highs, so that is very, very good. But yeah, 76, that's a very modest extreme greed. That's barely extreme greed. I think 75 is considered extreme greed. So we're just there. We're only up about 3 points yesterday, so the market is doing relatively well. Taking a look at the current market, I'm just going to refresh for the most up-to-date prices. The current market cap is $2.69 trillion, down 1% from yesterday. Currently, Bitcoin is at 62,000. Let's jump into that. And Ethereum hanging out over $4,500, looking really good. Bitcoin, let's take a look. As I mentioned earlier, we did have a bit of a retracement. We are down on the day. Yesterday we peaked up to 64,000. We're down to 62,000. If Bitcoin could hold 63, I think that would be really, really good. 63,000 as a new level of support would look fantastic. The day just started. If we pull up the 4-hour chart, and we'll see what happened there. Taking a look at the 4-hour chart, you can see over the last day, we've kind of been trading back and forth in this area of $63,000 region. Today we have a red candle starting to form. The 4-hour closes in about an hour and a half. So it'll be interesting to see how this turns out. If Bitcoin is able to push back to 63 or hold over 62,000, that'd be fantastic. We wicked down to 61,500. So not too bad, but it'd be awesome to see a new area of support. So that's what I'm keeping my eye on for Bitcoin to develop a new level of support, because over the last couple of days, looking at the daily chart, you can see, we were able to bounce off the $58,000 region and really hold the $60,000 level of support. We only closed one day underneath it. So we're able to continue to move and develop a new level, a new higher low at maybe 62,000, 63,000 would be fantastic. That would be very bullish in my opinion for the bulls. Also, Ethereum looking fantastic, looking even better than Bitcoin. We hit a new all-time high yesterday. I believe actually this morning at $46,030. Holy smokes. We blasted through 45,000 yesterday. We opened around 4,300 and went up to 4,600. I think Ethereum is going to absolutely tear it apart this year. Looking at the market cap of 532 billion, I think if Bitcoin can get to 150,000 per Bitcoin, that would bring its market cap up to, let's see, if it can go 2.5x from here, the market cap would be about 2.5 trillion. I think Ethereum going to at least a $1.5 trillion market cap is very reasonable in my opinion. But honestly, Ethereum continuing to be in price discovery mode, holding the line at 45 very, very well. It'd be interesting to see it hold the $44,450 region as a new level of support. Not to be surprised that, you know, we do have a small retracement. Anytime you hit all-time highs, you typically see some sort of retracement. Solana, sheesh. Solana has been on fire. Jeez. You know, people were like, oh, you should have sold it to 100. If you look at the big picture, Solana is just such a good competitor for Ethereum. It really is. I personally use my Phantom wallet all the time to buy NFTs. Like I bought SpookySouls, which you guys, if you haven't, definitely look into SpookySouls. It's one of the projects that I'm not like directly involved with, but I just love the artwork. But I use what's it called? My Phantom wallet with Solana, and honestly, the transaction fees are so minimal. But right now, you can see that Solana is sitting at $227, up 10%. So it went up $20 with a market cap of 68 billion. It did overtake the 5th spot from Cardano, but Cardano actually also saw a pump up to $2.10. So that's really good for Cardano holders. I love Cardano. I think layer ones, like blockchains like Cardano, Ethereum, Solana, Polkadot, Avalanche are going to have an amazing year. But I think we could still see Solana continue to run. I would not be surprised if Solana gets to be at least a $500 Solana, so $120 billion market cap. I think we're going to see a huge push this year of a lot of these coins sit over 100 billion. Right now, the only coins over 100 billion is Ethereum and Bitcoin. That's it. I mean, Binance coin was over 100 billion when it was at $600 per coin, but right now it's at 90. I think we're going to see Binance coin back in the $100 billion market cap. Solana, Cardano, I wouldn't be surprised if Polkadot also gets up there as well. You know, a lot of these heavy hitters. I think 100 billion is going to be the new, you know, determination of what is a big cap. I think 80 billion plus is going to be, you know, the sweet spot for a large cap, and then anything below that is considered a medium cap. Avalanche is another one that I have an eye on for at a market cap of 15 billion at $70. Avalanche, dude, if Avalanche can 3x from here, we're looking at a $200 Avalanche. That is pretty freaking sweet. But why Solana? Solana, I've been covering this for a while. It's just such a good platform to build off of, with the gas fees being like literally non-existent, and it's just the marketing is so well, and the amount of NFTs. Like, I just went to Solana art. You know, you have your Soul Punks, you have all these different ones. Degenerate Ape Academy. I know Galactic Geckos are super, super hot, but there's just continuing to be more and more like NFTs and dApps being built on it. And that's honestly it. People are buying the NFTs from Solana art. They're getting involved. They're building on top of Solana. It's very much that simple. So I think Solana is just a great competitor. I think it's bringing more awareness to the space and getting people to be in crypto and just buying NFTs. And I think MetaMask is just so expensive with buying an NFT with the gas fees of Ethereum. It's pretty ridiculous. If you guys haven't tried to buy an NFT with Ethereum, you know that you have to account for slippage. So like, it could say it's cost 0.1 Ethereum, but you might actually need 0.15 Ethereum to buy something just because of slippage. Like, the gas fees may be ridiculously high, or minting an NFT is ridiculously expensive. I know I've almost paid $400 to mint an NFT. It's stupid. So Solana just does that, but much more consistently, and it's way more affordable in my opinion. And also with Phantom Wallet, you can stake your Solana. Currently, I'm staking mine for 7.9% APY, and I'm just gaining free Solana. I figured, you know what? I don't plan on selling my Solana anytime soon yet, because I just think this is a monster. It has room to run. If it can get 10% of Ethereum's market cap, yeah, we're easily looking at $400 to $500 Solana. Enough for Solana. Let's take a look at the top alts for the day. Arweave doing very well. I believe Arweave is a data storage play. So like, it stores, like, if you're developing NFT, like, you store it's a storage network. It's a decentralized storage network. That's doing very well, up 30% today. And that is, I believe, on Solana too. Sandbox up. Sandbox has been on a complete run with Metaverse and everything. Telecoin up. Cardano is up. Solana's up. XRP is up 4%. Oh no, sorry. AMP is up. Solana's up. Cadena is up. Avalanche is up. Terra. A lot of really good coins are up today. And then let's see what's down. Basically anything that's pumped is down. Shiba is down. Not surprised. Mana is down. Not surprised because it pumped like crazy. Qtum, I know that was up the other day. Chili's is down a little bit. This is more of a sporting NFT play. It pumped up with the NFT, with the Metaverse tokens. Maybe people just consider it that. So it's a mixed bag. There's a decent amount that is down 3 or 5%, but honestly, I'm not too concerned. I'm sure a lot of these are just going to bounce back up in the next couple of days or so. So that's it for basically the market watch. In terms of what's going on in the news, first off, Miami Mayor Suarez to take the next paycheck in Bitcoin. I think this is really huge. He's putting his money where his mouth is. Francis Suarez, who is re-up for election on Tuesday, seemed to be ready to use Strike's dollar to Bitcoin conversion service. In a tweet, the pro-crypto mayor positioned himself as one of the only U.S. political leaders taking their salary in Bitcoin. The mayor of the city earns a salary of $187.5, according to Miami Herald. Suarez, who is up for re-election Tuesday, appeared ready to use fintech Strike dollar to Bitcoin conversion service. So I think this is really bullish. He is a huge advocate for Bitcoin and crypto with the Miami coin and all. I think this is great. You know, I think the more that we start to see this form of adoption, people just, you know, really standing up for Bitcoin, the more serious it's going to be taken. So I think this is awesome. In terms of other things going on in the world of crypto and just NFTs, Veve, if you guys are Marvel fans, tomorrow I'm watching the Eternals, and tomorrow is also the first appearance of the Eternals drop in comic book form. So the digital comic of the Eternals #1 dropped in blind box form tomorrow at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard. For me, I'm in Boston, with exclusive rare and ultra rare variants by Gerald Parrell. So that's really, really exciting. If you guys are into NFTs and Marvel, definitely get the Veve app if you're interested in that stuff. I love collecting my Marvel NFTs. I just think that, you know, it's just a no-brainer for me. I think they have a lot of room to grow, and I know that in the future they'll be worth more than they are now. And I just genuinely enjoy collecting comics, especially in digital format. That's it for today, guys. I hope you guys have a great day. Things are looking fine. Bitcoin is retracing. Nothing too crazy, though. We're hanging out around 62,000. You can't really complain about that. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.